आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में ऐसी क्या विशेष बात है जिसको जानने के बाद में एक इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर शायद बाध्य हो जाते हैं आपको फेवरेबली कंसिडर करने के लिए फॉर रिकमेंडेशन? व्हाट यू हैव अचीव्ड is obviously known in the sense, your 10th 12th marks, your graduation, post graduation, games, sports, other activities, etc. These are written in the PIQ. These are also known to the psychologists. However, what is not known is the circumstances in which you have done all these things. What have been your challenges, unique challenges? You are in a unique ecosystem और आप उस ecosystem में कैसे उभर के आए? आपकी जो achievements है वो किस वजह से possible हुई हैं? What have been your areas of interest? What have been your preferences? What have been your challenges? Right? What adverse situations you have come through? Now all these things you can only explain in the interview technique. और उसके लिए आपको बखूबी तैयारी करनी पड़ती है. It is not merely answering certain questions that the interviewing officer is asking you, but it is also about preparing yourself for this. Now इसको तैयारी करने के लिए, like I've been saying in all my discourses, that this is the only technique where you can project yourself most appropriately, right? Whether it is in the group testing or the psychologists psychological tests, there are certain structures, there are certain boundaries, but here it is as if you are free to express, free to talk about your achievements, your circumstances, your preferences, etc., etc. The best opportunity that you can get to project yourself is the interview technique. और यही ध्यान में रखते हुए I run a course, comprehensive course on interview technique. The details of this course are available on the slide that you can see what all we're going to cover. So I shall be covering this course which will prepare you very adequately to face an interview confidently. And it is not merely the interview part, the way you are able to express yourself, the way you are able to convey the unique ecosystem in which you have grown. This also helps the interviewing officer project your case during the conference, because कई ऐसी चीज़ें निकल के आती हैं जिसके बारे में अंजाम तो पता है लेकिन उसकी परिस्थिति क्या थी, ये चीज़ें जो हैं ये केवल इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर ही बता सकता है. एंड अनलेस यू आर एबल टू कन्वे दिस, no one else can help you. So it is best to prepare for the interview and give your best. Now statistically speaking, out of all the three techniques, it is the interview technique in which one tends to score the maximum marks. But for that, you need to know yourself, right? Like I have been mentioning in this, आपको अपने बारे में पूरी अच्छी तरह से जानकारी होनी चाहिए, आपका इंसाइट बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. एंड आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या हैं, आपके वीक एरियाज़ क्या हैं, अचीवमेंट्स किस तरह के हैं, एस्पिरेशंस कैसी हैं, आपकी प्रेफरेंसेस कैसे हैं, किस तरह की एडवर्सिटीज़ आपने फेस की हैं, प्लस करेंट अफेयर्स, मिलिट्री सर्विस नॉलेज एंड वेरियस अदर सच थिंग्स that are part of the interview one gets to know during this particular course that I am going to undertake. And it is a short course, online course, जिसको आप घर बैठे आप अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हो. We shall also include a mock interview and a debrief. So I would strongly recommend that if you want to do well in your SSB, do take this course, do undergo this course. It will help you greatly. Jai Hind.